We back in the building, and today we gonna be talking about my favorite thing to talk about in the world, in America right now. It just costs. It costs to talk to me about it now. And we speaking about cryptocurrency, baby. We talking about cryptocurrencies. So y'all might want to tune in. Might want to cop a squat, pull up a chair, do whatever it takes. But we're gonna be breaking it down. We're gonna be breaking it down. And we're gonna be breaking it all the way down. Hello, welcome back to HWLRADIO.COM. You're here with your main man Hollywood. And today, it's just some big news for the cryptocurrency landscape. Everybody involved in it. But let's go ahead and get into it, because the Daily Hold has brought to us April 10th, which was Sunday. U.S. banking giant issues dire economic warning, says shockwave could send crypto and commodities soaring, per report. So let's break it on down. Let's get into it. Bank of America strategists reportedly say that a shift in the macroeconomic landscape could be the catalyst that sends the crypto markets to higher prices. According to Reuters, analysts at the banking giant have sent a new note to clients warning that accelerating inflation and a slowing global economy could spread to U.S. markets. The analysts say that a deteriorating economy would likely force the Federal Reserve to tighten its monetary policy to control persistent inflation, which could put big sell pressure on equities and traditional assets. BOFA chief investment strategist Michael Harnett reportedly says inflation shock worsening, rates shock just the beginning, recession shock is coming. Harnett added that in such a climate, cash volatility, commodities, and crypto could become the most appealing assets to investors, outrunning both equities and the bond market. Basically saying that crypto could outrun all other commodities. Earlier this week, the Federal Reserve released meeting minutes that confirmed that the Fed officials all agreed that raising the federal funds rate would be necessary to curb inflation. In their consideration of the appropriate stance of monetary policy, all participants concurred that the U.S. economy was very strong with an extremely tight labor market, and that inflation was high and well above the committee's 2% inflation objective. Against this backdrop, all participants agreed that it was appropriate to begin a process of removing policy accommodations by raising the target range for the federal funds rate at this meeting. They further judged that ongoing increases in the target range for federal funds rate would be warranted to achieve the committee's objectives. Last month, Bloomberg's head commodities strategist Mike McGlones also said that a potential recession could end up being bullish for Bitcoin. According to the analysis, BTC is transitioning from being a risk-on asset that trades in tandem with tech stocks to a risk-off asset that investors use to store value during times of economic uncertainty. What I see it doing is shifting from risk-on to risk-off. It might get to 30,000, but if it goes there, imagine where the stock market will be. It can easily correct 30%, 40% in the stock market. It's happened in history. Then I think Bitcoin comes out ahead. I still think based on supply and demand and adoption trends, it's just a matter of time before it gets to 100,000. This could be part of that base forming period. So, for everybody that's a little bit lost, I'm here to break it on down for you and show you why I deserve my damn $50. Just like I just met with a restaurant owner earlier today and broke it down for them. They're now joining the Hollywood's Empire of Investors. HWLRADIO.COM's Empire of Investors. Okay, there y'all go. I didn't think they heard me the first time. Yeah, man, it's going down right now. Cryptocurrency is about to take over. It's about to take off. And like I said, man, before I was telling everybody and, stressing myself out, trying to spread the word. Now it ain't so stressful because I get $50 for anybody who wants to talk to me about crypto. Their future's in a better place. My future's in a better place. And your future could be in a better place. It's just going to cost you $50 to holler at me. So I told you I was going to break it down. So I told my investors this like 2 weeks ago that it looks like, well, I actually told them 2 months ago that it was going to be something big to actually push Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies through. And that's something big, although I didn't want to foresee it because we got to go through some things for this to happen. But it's going to be within the recession. So whenever y'all see recession hit, you better get you some crypto. Forget them pork and beans. Forget the canned food, the canned goods and all that stuff. You better get you some cryptocurrency and you better spend $50 with a nigga like me because it's getting ugly. It's getting ugly out here. They already setting it up to pay y'all in crypto. So everybody that works a 9 to 5, you're going to have crypto. You're going to be in crypto even if you don't want to be in crypto. They're about to start paying people's 401ks in crypto. They're about to start giving people loans in crypto. I mean, and these are all going to be stable coins. So remember, I told you that too. But I'm telling y'all now, I'm dropping little gems in here to show you that I do know what I'm talking about because I deal in tech. Crypto, blockchain technology is tech. So I'm one of the number one people you would want. Like the old investors, they're going to catch on when it catches on. People like me can get you in early. I'm like Martin Lawrence in Blue Streak, man. Hey, you got to give me the diamond. You gotta give the diamond to me, man. I can get you through there. The diamond is the 50. If you don't get the bigger picture, man, it's gonna cost you $50 to set your family up to be rich. And then they already about to set up a way to where they trying to block everyday people from accumulating coins like me and my investors got, and they're trying to just limit it to companies and billionaires and business and politicians and countries. That's what they're trying to limit it to. I can go on and on and on and on, but ain't none of y'all gave me $50 yet. So you know what that means. That's gonna be the show for today, nigga. You can go download that radio station app. That's enough free stuff for you. Download the radio station app. It's for free. HWLRADIO.COM. And you get all the latest, all the greatest, and even some of the new up-and-coming greatest artists' music there. You can find your next favorite artist on HWLRADIO.com. Well, we got some other stuff coming in the works, but we won't speak about that until it happens. We learned our lessons. But what we can do right now, if we can get you the best music and the hottest music right now out today at HWLRADIO.com. And for $50, you can set your family up for life.